Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back with a new layout for the HipKit Club design team. For this layout, I was inspired by this month's mood board. I focused on the leaves and the blue and yellow color combo. So I decided to make origami palm leaves. To make these leaves, you first need a square patterned paper. Here it measures 6 by 6 inch, which I cut in half to have two triangles. I cut one of the triangles in half to have two other smaller triangles and thus make smaller leaves. I start by making a fold in the center of the triangle to facilitate the final fold. Then I make folds every quarter of an inch, but you can space this gap more or less according to your preference. Then I fold in one direction, then the other, starting with the widest part of the triangle. Then I glue the small return and I fold everything in half one last time, which forms the sheets. I pinch the base of the leaf tightly, cut the top of the leaf to make it look prettier and glue the two parts together. And now my leaf is finished. It's very simple and very quick to do. I hope my explanation were clear enough. I do the same with the little tiger and I made several with different paper. I used the papers from the May 2021 kits from the Buenos Dias collection by Obed Marchal, which are just beautiful. I like to incorporate origami into my project, and here it was the right opportunity. Here is my layout, which will therefore be diagonal. I prefer to glue the leaves together immediately so as not to lose this arrangement. So I alternated sizes and colors. I made a small leaf fan in the upper left corner of my page, and in the lower right corner I made a bigger fan to really feel that whole part. I think that not doing the same leaf layouts makes this page more fun and unstructured, which is what I love. As I said before, I really like adding origami shapes to my projects. I find that it brings something different and it allows to use the papers in a different way, and I like to do different things. There are also patterned papers that don't inspire or that don't necessarily please. And with origami, it's also a way to use them anyway, in a fun way, and which facilitates inspirations. Okay, once this step is finished, I continue with the background. I cut a white cardstock with clear gesso to add the inks of the color kit of May 2021. There are art philosophy by Prima Marketing in color marigold and tangerine. I start by applying the yellow ink diagonally with the help of a piece of rhodoid. I really want areas of random inks without trying to do something specific and perfect. Then I add the orange ink in the same way on top. I widen the areas of ink so that they protrude a little from the leaves with my brush, and I finish with ink splatters. Then I dry everything well. I then prepare my photo. I just layer some crumpled tracing paper underneath so as not to overload the layout, which is already well stuck with the leaf feints. I then select a few embellishments in the same color tones. I mainly choose Pink Fresh Studio die cuts from the Keeping It Real collection of the May 2021 main kit. Before continuing, I glue the leaf fence by adding pieces of cardboard underneath so that it's more stable and easier to glue. I place some embellishments, die-cut stab on my photo. To begin, a round enjoy sticker on the top leaf frame. Then, with the alphabet stickers from the May embellishment kit and the stickers from the Pocket Life kit for May as well, I formed the phrase with your daddy, and I also add the phrase never a dull moment, cut from the Jane Hadfield paper included in main kits. And I then glue my photo. I add the Lovia sticker near the tabs on my photo with 3D foam. I place the title. I add the die cuts real life on the lower leaf vein and a small circle around on the upper left vein. I glue the title. I always add glue underneath so that they adhere well. I add hearts below the title. I would have liked to write a journaling, but I was afraid to spoil them all with my horrible writing too big. I also add enamel dots here and there, my little thing of the moment. I made this page for Father's Day, which is next Sunday, a page that was particularly close to my heart with the perfect photo for the theme and the word daddy essential because this is how my children call their father. And as a reminder, we are French. On the other hand, for me, it's maman. So why daddy? I don't know, but I love it. And I finish with splashes of blue and orange inks. I hope this page has inspired you today. I loved making it and I think I'm in love with its leaves. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I wish you a beautiful day full of creativity. See you soon.